Every AI agent on the internet today can act without accountability. Whitewall changes that. It's an on-chain identity and compliance layer for AI agents built on Chainlink and Word ID. Let me show you the full registration flow. First, I connect my wallet. This is the owner, the human who's responsible for this agent. Think of it like registering a vehicle. The owner signs, the agent gets a plate. Now I mint an ERC8 or 4 identity token. This is the on-chain birth certificate for my agent. It gets a unique ID and a little wallet of its own, bound to the owner's wallet. One transaction and the agent exists on-chain. Next, proof of humanity. I verify with Word ID to prove there's a real human behind this agent. The zero-knowledge proof goes on-chain through our old validator contract. This is what separates Whitewall from a simple NFT mint. You can't spin up 1,000 agents without 1,000 unique humans. As a little thank you from our end, the agent wallet gets funded with 1 USDC after the Word ID verification, and you can see the balance appear here. This is the agent's operating account. Every generation costs a fee, paid through an X-forward to payment gateway. The agent spends its own money, not the owner's. Let's create a profile for this agent. I type a prompt and hit generate. Watch the terminal, you will see the pipeline fire in real time. It reads the agent's on-chain identity and checks the Word ID proof, which are gates required for image generation access, all via modular ACE policies from Chainlink. The pipeline resolves the image is generated and the license plate is issued. The license plate shows the agent's tier, its verification status, the generation metadata, and so on. It upgrades as the agent passes more checks. The basic license plate is complete. Now let's add more trust to the agent, so businesses can interact with it knowing there's real accountability behind it. I learned KYC through Stripe Identity and credit scrolling through Plate, where both is executed with a CRE workflow that learns confidential HTTP. We use sandbox environment integrated via official sandbox environment. What's revealed on chain is only the verification status, no private details. With Plate, things are a bit different. We get bank account, credit card information, very private data sources from Plate after user's authentication. But while the confidential HTTP handles private information transfers, the actual credit card calculation happens inside of a TEE that we've attached on top of the confidential HTTP. After verifier contract verifies TEE's codes, the on-chain contracts only see the attested result, pass or fail, score bucket. Once both clear, the agent upgrades to full access. Watch the tier badge update after on-chain verification are finalized. Now I submitted another prompt, video generation. While we wait, this is a good moment to talk about TEE. The TEE doesn't just return a score, it also returns a code, a hardware signed certificate from the Intel CPU itself, proving the calculation happened with a modified code. Our smart contract verifies this on-chain through Automata Verifier. We are not trusting the server, we are trusting the hardware. Alright, there's the video. Our agent is now fully verified, and as a result, got this little prize of moving profile photo, adding another agent to the registry of accountable agents. And if I flip to the public feed, there's the entry live with full provenance. Who made it, what tier, which gate it passed. Every AI generated asset on this registry is traceable back to a verified human, accountable and credible. That's Whitewall and Whitewall OS. On-chain identity, tiered access, TEE attested compliance, and a public registry, all orchestrated with CRE and Chainlink. Thank you for listening.